Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I haven't the foggiest what's in here. I looked at the front and I thought, gosh, I have no idea. But thanks to whoever sent it, if it's something that I can provide a link for, I'll make sure and link it right down below. When you use my links, it helps my channel. But that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There is a link for Patreon right down below. We have fun over there. Check it out. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Bam! I shouldn't. That's not my thing. Sorry, Neves. I didn't. It just came out of my mouth. Oh. Okay, what do we have here? Ah, yes, some armor, some reinforcement. Nice. Okay, we have, we have an Artisan colorway, perhaps. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh, wonderful. Nice handwriting. Very nice handwriting. Hello, Metal Complex. Here is the blah, blah, bleedle, deedle, deedle, de doo. Oh, cool. I'm actually pretty pumped to check this out. Do anything you please with it. I love the channel, and I want to thank you for the education you've given me. You make the hobby and YouTube fun. Thanks. From Andrew. Thanks, Andrew. And he did this on 22222, which was, for whatever reason, an interesting thing in the world of social media here recently. But yeah, very cool. Thanks so much, man. Let's check this out. So this is the Smoky Mountain Knife Works edition. I have no... it's a good thing he said I could do whatever I want with it. I have no affiliate thing set up with them, so that's where you'll get this. But so a long time ago, I handled the big old fat one, right? The big crazy one, which was funny and interesting. This guy, a little bit more pocket friendly. What's interesting here is that it's still an absolute tank. This is definitely a little... kind of reminds me of a micro Praetorian, but still doing its own things. I mean, yeah, we have these sort of pill-shaped cutouts here, but this is still obviously its own thing. Really interesting, though. Is the blade still D2? Yes, it is. Dirk Pinkerton. I always forget that Dirk Pinkerton did this. Look at that. The spanner side on this and on hinder knives always reminds me of a Pokeball. And now that you've seen it, you can't unsee it. Those of you with hinder knives, it looks like a Pokeball. You don't know what I'm talking about? Go look it up. It's never going away now. Yeah, I like the micarta. It's pretty cool. Truthfully, I just like the size of this. I don't know. I mean, this is probably still too much for most people to carry. But if you're gonna carry, if you're gonna carry this, the Proponent, let you guys take a look at this card here. Gosh, I hope it's not 59. I hope it should be 61 or higher, the D2, right? That's one of those things where it's like 59 to 61 is not a universal area for heat treatment when it comes to blade steel. D2 does a lot better at, correct me if I'm wrong, 61, 62, maybe even 63. And it's not like all steels will have better edge retention at higher Rockwell hardness, but depending on their composition, they can hang on to an appropriate amount of toughness as you increase it, right? So it's one of those things. It depends on the composition. But anyways, this does look cool. I don't know if it's still available at Smoky Mountain Knife Works or not. There are a lot of elements of this thing that are going to make it cumbersome, but certainly easier to carry than the big, gigantic, large one, which is, I think, last I checked, still available. You can get it in brass there. Pretty cool. I have not reviewed this, so I will do this is not a review. This is just unboxing and first impressions, right? I like it. I don't think it's the most practical thing in the world, but I do like it just because it's weird and different, right? I will do a full comprehensive review of this guy a few weeks down the road from now. I do want to say thank you again to Andrew for letting me take a look at this. I remember seeing it a long time ago. If you guys don't know, by the way, This is one of those knives that has one of those pin locks. So I believe, well, if I'm not mistaken, that just goes to we have to approach from the correct side. Yes, of course. Make sure you always approach from the correct side. It's real important in life. All right, hold on. Let me compose myself after that awful joke. Yeah, and so now it can't disengage, making it really strong. You're going to break every other part of this knife before that lock disengages, right? Now, of course, you're going to have a thingy hanging off the end of it, but you know, it depends. If you want to make use of that, it's there for you to make use of it. How appropriate it will be incredibly circumstantial, but that's not really anybody's problem but yours after you buy it. So there you go. Interesting stuff. Thanks again to Andrew for sending this in. I don't think he has any Instagram information. So yeah, why don't you go ahead and follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.